Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to update email address on Netflix. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable web browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search a type web address option, enter here netflix.com. This will take you to the official webpage of Netflix app. Now, scroll down and tap on this Help Center option. Scroll down and then tap on Update Email option. So they are trying to first of all confirm our identity, so tap on this email or code option, and then we need to enter a code that has been sent to our email address. So I'm going to go to my email address and check it. You can also do the same. So here I do have a verification code, so I'm going to go and tap on it. Now tap on this code here and then copy this and go to the Netflix section again and paste it. When you're done filling it, tap on continue option below. So now you need to enter your current email and then your new email. Tap on this new email option since the current email is already here. So when you're done filling your new email, scroll down and tap on save option below. So you can see that your account email has been changed and this is how you update it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.